In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen using Davinci Resolve. If you're diving into video editing, knowing how to key out a green screen can be an incredibly valuable skill, enabling you to create more professional and dynamic content. Let's jump right into it. First, open Davinci Resolve. Once you're in, make sure your materials are ready in the media pool. You'll want to have all your assets organized, making the whole process smoother and more efficient. Then navigate to the Edit page, which is where most of the video assembly magic happens. Now, let's build the foundation of our timeline. Start by dragging your base video into the timeline. Think of this as your background scene behind the green screen footage. Once that's set, bring in the video clip with the green screen and layer it above your base video in the timeline. This is crucial because it ensures that once we remove the green, the background video will be revealed. Now it's time to focus on the effects that will make the green screen disappear. Click on Effects in the upper left area of the screen. You'll see a toolbar from which we can access many powerful editing tools. We need to harness the power of the 3D keyer, a robust tool for chroma keying. Use the search function to locate the 3D keyer. Make sure you're searching under the Resolve FX section to find it easily. Once you have the 3D keyer, drag it directly onto your green screen clip in the timeline. This action applies the effect, and now we're ready to refine it further. If you glance up to the viewer panel right below it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Look for the option Open FX Overlay within this menu and select it. This setting is essential for enabling the overlay that allows us to fine-tune the green screen effect. Next, with the OpenFX overlay active, simply click on any part of the green screen area within the viewer. This action tells Davinci Resolve which color you want to key out. It's almost like telling the software, "Hey, this is the color I want gone." Sometimes, after the initial keying, you might notice some remnants of the green still holding on. This is where the decibel slider comes into play. Increase the decibel slider to remove any leftover green areas. Adjusting this slider will help you achieve a cleaner, more polished result. And that's it. You've successfully removed the green screen in Davinci Resolve. Your video should now seamlessly replace the green screen with the background of your choice. Play around with these steps to see what works best with your footage, as sometimes lighting and green screen quality can affect the outcome. Now go ahead and experiment. Happy editing!